The best accessory to wear is a smile. It goes with everyone. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Samira. If you are seeing my tutorial for the first time, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, today we are going to make this trendy, beautiful, stylish skirt. It's called handkerchief. So guys, just keep on watching this tutorial to the end so that you see the fitness of the style that we are making today. Is a trendy style. So guys, please don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can share, like, comment, and you can also give it a thumbs up so that more audience can see this video and watch from it. So guys, keep on watching to the end. Guys, these are the items you'll be needing for today's tutorial: chalk, scissors, tape, and 1 yard of Duchess fabric that I'll be using today. And I'll be showing you guys how I'll be folding my fabric like this, the way you're seeing me doing in the video. Your fabric should be unfolded in 4 parts, as you can see me folding my fabric. So when making your own, just fold it the way you are seeing me folding it. And the style that we are making today is a simple style. Is handkerchief skirt that we are making today. Is a unique style that is trendy, and I want you to learn how to cut and sew this style. So that's why I'm making this tutorial, so that you guys can watch and learn from it. Guys, don't forget to share this tutorial with your loved ones, with your friends. Please also ask them to also watch my tutorials down to the end. So I'm done with my folding, so I will just go ahead now to start taking my measurements. Okay, so I want you to watch it very well closely. You can see the place that I'm going to place my tape. So I'm going to place it, my tape, at the sharp edge of my fabric. So just watch it now. You can see where I place my tape. So that's what I'm showing you guys, that I folded it in 4 parts. So I'm placing it at the sharp edge of my fabric. So I'll go ahead and mark 3.5 inches round for my waist measurement, and it's by 26 inches. So I'll keep on marking 3.5 inches round for my waist. Then after that, I'm going to use my chalk to give a curve, a round curve for my waist measurement. Okay, so guys, you can share this tutorial with your friends, and please don't forget to click the red button under my video to subscribe now. So after that, the part that is on fold is by 19 inches. I hope you are following up. So it's 19 inches. It's a simple style. The style is very unique, and it's simple to learn how to cut it. There's no complication. It's a simple style that I want you to know how to cut. So at this point, I'll be taking my length of my skirt, which is by 27 inches. Okay, the beauty of this style is that it's suitable for all sizes, so you can make one for yourself. So I'm done with the cutting, so I'll just go ahead now to cut it out, guys. So I'll be starting my cutting from the waist. You can see how simple it is to make this style, very unique style and simple to understand. So guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to subscribe, and you can also turn notification bell to get notified to see my new sewing tutorial that will be coming up on my YouTube channel whenever I upload new tutorial like this. So that's the beauty of the style. So it's suitable for everyone, big, small, be able to wear it out. So let me spread this for you guys to see. So guys, keep on watching this tutorial to the end. My name is Samira. Say it again. My name is Samira. If you are seeing my tutorial for the first time, please watch my sewing tutorials to the end to see why you should subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also turn notification bell to get to see my new videos that will be coming up on my YouTube channel. So guys, I'm going to wear this skirt so that you guys can see the fitness of this handkerchief skirt that we just did now. Always wear that big smile on your face. It goes with everyone. Guys, we have come to the end of today's sewing tutorial. So you can see how we're able to cut and sew this simple handkerchief skirt that we just made today. It's very unique style, and you need to follow the procedure that we use in cutting this style so that you'll be able to cut your own by yourself. That's the essence of making this particular tutorial for you guys to know how to make this style on your own. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the red button under my video to subscribe now. You can turn notification bell to get notified to see my next sewing tutorial, and you can like, comment, share this tutorial with your friends. Thank you once again for watching. I'll see you again. Bye bye.